You are going to love the 2019 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power lift gate, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.